Oh, is it?
They must be tethered somehow, so in case they fall, they won't crash onto the ground.
Yeah,
I would assume.
Well, they're belays or whatever they're called.
Huh. You could offer me a show at the Tate Gallery of all my work now, and I would turn it down if I had to do this in order to have the show. So for my touristy friends on Facebook, Armchair Travel, this used to be a horse exercise place. The horses would go all the way around exercising, and then it became a hospital. So when did it become a hospital? This is my Facebook friends.
Singapore, 1859.
1859.
It was a hospital. It was converted as trustees. They were offered together with pleasure ground.
Huh. In the year, so it's built 1859 and 1868, I guess it became the hospital.
And then completed in 1878.
Internally reconstructed by the governors of the Cotton District's Convalescent Fund in the year 1881. Huh.
Now, can you hear?
Can I hear? What do you mean?
The echoes are coming back now. You see, they're the 4 spots, but because they're up there, I think you'll hear those girls talking.
Oh, really?
Yeah. When
those
they say
two?
something.
Oh, really? These? Oh.
They're the 4 blocks where you normally stand. But I think because they're up there, it's slightly. I can hear it more here.
Huh.
In a second. Can you hear it?
So the acoustics of the building, if you're standing here and say something on one of these 4 black squares, but it echoes, people will hear it across the building or something. So, say something. I want to see if I can hear it. I need to be here? No, I'm still videoing here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Now, can you hear me now? Can you hear?
I could hear you when I was over there too.
But you can't hear me coming back. Can you hear me coming back from the building?
What do you mean coming back from the building?
Echoing back from the building.
It sounds...
Can you? It's like an amplification.
Yeah, I do hear that. Yeah.
And that's just the... and for that reason, they can never have concerts in here. The acoustics is awful.
Oh, really?
You imagine trying to...
So this is the Duke of Worslow here, David Bernard, and his wife, the Duchess, over there. They're in everyday costume, so as to not be besieged by autograph seekers and so on.
This is true.
Just telling that to my Facebook friends, yeah.
Okay.